Hello friends, this is Shoaib and now you are showing Maximum Electronics. If you are not subscribed our YouTube channel Maximum Electronics, then you will subscribe our YouTube channel Maximum Electronics, and today we are discussing about how to add how to add a microphone with this type of this type of headphones, because in such type of headphones does not contain microphones. So now how to connect this microphone with this. First, check out the continuity of the speakers, it is conducting or not. So first use this beep or the diode range for check the continuity of this speakers. So this one is the ground and this one is the positive of the speaker. It means that any of the one, this which is conducting, and this one is second one is not conducting. So remove this audio jack. So now I'm want to remove this extra wire with this pin. So I'm cutting from this wire from here. Now check this headphones, it will conduct or not. So first remove this upper cover. Now I am using some paste. Now use the soldering iron. For removing the upper layer of this wires. Now check the continuity. This one is conducting, it means the wire is continuous. This one is also, it means our headphone is working. And now we are using another cable. This cable is for use for microphone. There is 4 points, and in earlier videos we have already discussed this pin configuration. And this one is the mic and mic box. Now I'm showing you the terminals of this headphone jack, which one is what. So first take this, the positive of the speaker, so it can, I'm showing you the beep buzzer. This one is, now this one is the another positive of the speaker. Okay, the third one is the ground. Okay, so this one is ground, and the fourth one is what, actually the fourth one is the positive of the microphone. We have already discussed this thing. You can also follow our previous videos for good understanding of this 3.5 mm audio jack and its pin configuration. Now it is time to connect this circuit. So first take out common for this, for the connecting of ground of this headphone jack. Okay, and this one is true positive of the speakers. Okay, now let us connect the positive and ground of this speakers. So this one is this color, I'm showing you. This color is the positive, sorry, this color is the ground of the this 3.5 mm audio jack. So let us connect this by using soldering iron. Let us connect this wire, this terminal. This one is the negative. Okay, it is connected. Now this color, I'm showing you, this color is the positive of this 3.5 mm audio jack. So let us connect this thing. Okay, it is connected. Now this remaining two terminals are the positive of the left and right of the speakers. So now I'm connecting this terminals with the speaker. So first this two one is the common, and it is connected with the negative of the mic. So now I'm using soldering iron to connect this thing. This one is the ground, so it is connected with the negative. This one is the negative of the this is the negative of this microphone. Okay, now these two are the positive, so just connect these things. So our circuit is connected properly, or the wires are connected properly. There is no any problem. It's time to check our headphone, it will work or not. So let us, now I'm connecting this headphone jack with this mobile. It is connected. Now let us play this song. So now this one, I don't know, this one is right, and now it is the L one, left one. I think it is working awesome. Now it is the time to check out our microphone. So it is connected with this mobile, so let us see. Hello, 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 this is Maximum Electronics.